Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening Filmora and loading the clip. This is essential so you can capture the right moment. Scrub the timeline and use the left/right arrow keys to nudge the playhead one frame at a time because precision matters for sharp stills. Once done, zoom the timeline for finer control, especially on fast cuts, and pause exactly where you want the snapshot. Make sure to pick a frame with good lighting and composition so the saved image looks professional. You now capture the frame using Filmora's snapshot icon in the preview pane. This creates an image in the media library so you can reuse it. When prompted, choose whether to keep the project resolution or set a custom size like 1920 x 1080 for full HD output. Once saved, you can right-click the image to rename or move it into a folder. Do this to keep assets organized, because you might need multiple angles. Repeat as required and compare results before final export. You finish by exporting the snapshot to disk. Use File Export or right-click the image and choose Export Image, then pick PNG for lossless or JPG for smaller files. Make sure to set the output folder and quality percentage so files are easy to find and meet size needs. If the saved image looks blurry or low-res, check that you captured the exact frame, confirm the source clip's resolution, and match project settings. If problems persist, render the clip first and try again.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.